I just found a niche that's quietly pulling in millions of views across different platforms, and almost nobody's paying attention. There's a TikTok creator who grew to over 200,000 followers in no time, just by posting short history videos, with nearly every upload going viral. It got so big that he even launched his own course. But here's where it gets crazy. While these videos are killing it on TikTok, barely anyone is doing them on YouTube. The few that exist are already gaining serious traction. That's why in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, showing you exactly how to create these high-performing history shorts from start to finish. Now, these videos are taking off for a few reasons. They cover crazy and controversial history topics that grab attention instantly. They use engaging visuals that make the video feel dynamic. And they follow a strong storyline that keeps people watching all the way. This formula is exactly why the algorithm pushes them out to a much wider audience. And because AI tools have become so advanced, you can create these videos in just minutes by using the right tools. I've put together a fully updated blueprint so that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create history shorts that are built to perform. I'm going to show you the automated method using a tool that handles all the heavy lifting for you. Let's get straight into it. The first step is creating a script that's actually structured to go viral. If you just make a basic robotic script, it most likely won't trigger the algorithm. So watch closely. Open the prompt file you'll find inside my free Telegram channel linked below. Copy the full script prompt and paste it into a new ChatGPT session. I created this prompt specifically to give you everything you need. Once you run it, ChatGPT will give you a list of 10 video ideas tailored to the history niche, all structured around proven performance principles. Pick the one you like, enter the number, and click generate. Just like that, you've got a complete script designed to maximize engagement. Now here's the beauty. You don't need to deal with complicated image prompts or animations because the tool we're about to use handles all of that for you. It's called Smart Short. I'll leave the link in the description. Let me walk you through how this works. Head over to Smart Short AI using the link in my description. Once you're on the site, you'll see this tool can generate completely unique videos for any niche or topic. You don't have to worry about image generation or editing because it does everything automatically. You have two options here. Use your own script or let the AI create one from scratch. Let's test this with start a new project and paste your script. Then click Next. Now you need to select an AI voice. Smart Short gives you access to over 50 ultra-realistic voices, including the full 11 Labs library. For history content, I like voices that sound clear and engaging. I'll go with Alex for this example. Then click Next again. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option that says one footage for every 2.5 seconds. This controls how often the video changes images. You can increase or decrease this based on your pacing. For this video, I'll set it to one image every 2.5 seconds. Below that, you'll find 4 powerful options. Enable smooth transitions, activate sound effects, turn on automatic silence removal, and allow simple animations. Trust me, activating all 4 will dramatically increase the quality of your final video. Then hit generate. Within seconds, Smart Short creates your complete video. Now, let's quickly see how the final video turned out.
They called it the Empire of Endless Light, where sleep was declared illegal by royal decree. At first, it seemed like genius. Factories never stopped, armies never rested, and productivity soared beyond anything the world had seen. The emperor claimed humanity had conquered its greatest weakness. Anyone caught sleeping was punished, reconditioned, or simply disappeared. To enforce it, citizens were fed stimulants mixed into their daily rations. Streets glowed day and night. Artificial suns lit every corner. For a while, the empire thrived. Then the cracks began. People started seeing things that weren't there. Workers collapsed mid-task, eyes open but minds gone. Soldiers began attacking their own ranks. Convinced invisible enemies surrounded them. Entire districts descended into violent hysteria. The turning point came when the emperor himself stopped sleeping. In a matter of days, he lost his grip on reality, issuing frantic orders to fight shadows no one else could see. The army obeyed. The capital burned. Within weeks, the empire destroyed itself from the inside. Historians would later write that it wasn't war, famine, or rebellion that ended them. It was the simple human need they tried to erase.
The images match the script perfectly, and look at the captions. They even add different colored emojis automatically, which keeps viewers engaged longer. The voice sounds natural and everything flows perfectly. If you want to customize anything, you can use the side menu to change text colors, adjust placements, or swap caption styles. There are dozens of pre-made templates to choose from. You can even upload your own images if you want to add something specific. And when you're done, simply download the video with no watermarks. Smart Short has 3 packages. The first is $19 a month for 20 short videos. The second is $39 a month for 50 videos. And the Pro Edition is $68 a month for 100 videos. With that top package, you could easily run at least 5 different short channels at once. All packages include full access to premium AI voices and animations. With this method, you can create high-quality history shorts in minutes without spending hours editing or jumping between multiple tools. The niche is still wide open on YouTube, especially for history content. The earlier you start, the better. Now, everything is up to you. Stay consistent, post daily, and let the algorithm do its thing. I'll see you in the next video.